To set the Java path on Windows using Java_home, follow these steps. First, ensure that Java is installed on your Windows machine. You can check if Java is installed by opening a command prompt window and running the command Java version. If Java is installed, you should see output similar to this. Java version 1.8.0_281 inches. Java TM SE Runtime Environment build 1.8.0_281 B09. Java HotSpot TM 64-bit server VM build 25.281 B09 mixed mode. Next, find the installation directory of Java. This will be the directory where the Java binaries are located. The default installation directory for Java on Windows is C Program Files, Java. Once you have located the installation directory, copy the path to the directory. Open the Start menu and search for Environment Variables. Click on Edit the System Environment Variables. In the System Properties window, click on the Environment Variables button. Under System Variables, click on the New button. In the Variable Name field, enter Java_home. In the Variable Value field, paste the path to the Java installation directory that you copied earlier. Click OK to save the new environment variable. In the System Variables section, find the path variable and click on Edit. Add the path %Java_home% bin to the list of paths. Click OK to save the changes. Restart any open command prompt windows for the changes to take effect. After completing these steps, you should be able to use Java from the command line using the Java and Java commands.